In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from a different address or alias in Gmail. This feature can be incredibly useful if you manage multiple email addresses but wish to streamline your correspondence from a single Gmail account. Whether you're juggling personal, professional, or project-specific addresses, this method will allow you to do so seamlessly. To begin, open Gmail in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen to locate the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's the gateway to accessing a range of options that will allow you to customize how you send emails. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail account management dashboard, where you have a comprehensive view of your Gmail account settings. From here, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Depending on the version of Gmail you are using, this might simply be labeled as Accounts. This section is your hub for managing all aspects of your account relationships, including multiple email addresses. Once you're in the Accounts and Import or Accounts section, look for the Send Mail As component. This is where you'll manage and add email addresses or aliases that you can use to send emails. You'll see an option to add another email address, and this is where it gets interesting. By clicking on Add Another Email Address, you're opening the door to add a new alias. Add the name you'd like the recipient to see when they receive an email from this new address, and then proceed to enter the alias email address itself. This feature allows you to personalize how each of your emails appears in other people's inboxes, depending on the situation or relationship. Once you've input the necessary information, Gmail needs to verify that you indeed own the alias email address. It does this by sending a verification email to that alias. It's important to have access to the email account for this next step. Head over to that inbox and look for the email from Gmail. Follow the verification steps within this email to confirm ownership. This often involves clicking a link or entering a confirmation code. It's simple and straightforward. Now that the alias email address is verified and set up, you're ready to take it for a spin. Go back to your Gmail account, and when you compose a new email, you'll notice there's a From a drop-down menu. This menu now includes the alias you just added. Select your alias from this menu, and compose your email as usual. Once you hit send, the email will be sent from the alias address you chose. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail to send emails from a different address or alias. This feature is a real game changer for maintaining organization within your digital communications, allowing you to use a single interface while managing multiple email identities with ease.